If you look here, the overall proportion of Krishna is almost 2.5 heads tall. Measure the distance between the forehead and the chin. And by measuring the character with the same distance, the character is almost 2.5 heads tall. To create 2.5 heads tall proportion, divide the line into two equal parts and add a little bit of space at the end for the foot. To create the character, divide the circles further like this and sketch the basic shapes. Then add the key features and the details. Then create a new layer and start outlining. You can use any outline brush from my basic brush pack. The brush pack is now available on my website for purchase. Go check it out. For coloring purpose, I usually prefer red outline over black outline. So yeah, I changed the black outline to red. I always start the process by coloring the values. Let me tell you why. Coloring the values helps me to fix the contrast of the local colors, and it also adds more depth to the illustration. I usually fill out the value of the background and the subjects in the different layers because it will be helpful for me to fill out the local colors later. To fill out the base color or the local color, create a new layer for the local color and select the value layer. Selecting the value layer creates a mask around the subject and helps to fill out the local color easily. Change the hues and the saturation of the value to choose your local color. The local color might look kind of flat, so you can change the color variation and highlight few parts to make it look more interesting. To add the mid shadow, create a new layer, clip mask it and change the blending mode to multiply. I'd usually choose a lighter color, preferably light purple or blue or maybe light lilac to add the shadow. Multiply can be so strong, so choose your color based on your light source. To add the core shadow and the reflection, change the blending mode to hard light. Hard light multiplies the darker color and illuminates the lighter color. So choose your colors that works for you. We are almost finishing up the illustration. If you don't know, I am selling art prints, Procreate brushes and few other art merch on my website. Check it out and share it with your friends. And hey, if you are trying this illustration out, feel free to tag me on your Instagram stories. I hope I have covered everything. If you have any doubts and queries, kindly share them in the comments below. And finally, you can show off your work with mental canvas, or you can use any other video app to create a parallax video. It's up to you. Thanks for watching and I see you next time.